Unlock the full potential of your free Dropbox account and grab yourself an extra 10 GB instantly. We're all familiar with the standard free Dropbox allowance, but did you know you can easily boost that significantly? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get up to 18 GB or even more of free cloud storage to keep all your important files safe and accessible. Our first major storage booster is the Referral Program. Simply navigate to the Get More Space section of your Dropbox account, usually found in the settings or on their website, and look for the referral option. You'll find a unique link there. Copy your unique referral link. This is your key to earning bonus space now. Share this link with your friends, family, or even colleagues who aren't yet using Dropbox. For every friend who signs up for a new Dropbox account using your link and installs the desktop app, you'll both get a significant chunk of extra storage, typically 500 MB each. Up to a certain limit, that's a fantastic way to build up your space quickly. Beyond referrals, Dropbox frequently runs special promotions. Keep an eye on their official blog, social media channels, and even email newsletters. These often involve small tasks, like connecting other apps or participating in surveys that reward you with free gigabytes. For example, connecting your smartphone's camera for automatic photo uploads used to be a guaranteed way to get extra space while these specific promotions change. The principle remains: be vigilant and check for ongoing offers. By consistently leveraging these methods, engaging with the referral program and staying alert for promotions, you can easily surpass your initial free storage and accumulate a significant 18 GB or more. This means more room for your photos, videos, documents, and all your digital life without paying a cent. So start sharing, stay curious about promotions, and enjoy your expanded free Dropbox storage.